Welcome everybody to Abby Dolly World. We're doing layered butterfly locks. So I've sectioned out my hair in 40 sections. So I'm excited but scared at the same time because this is so new for me, because I was contemplating whether or not I should, do this channel, but I was like, okay, go ahead. Today I'll be using the Nala Tress on 24-inch in blonde, right? So I'm going to show you how I install the crochet locks with a crochet needle. Okay, so this is the 18-inch because I already did the back off camera. So I'm going to show you how tight the hole is. So you got to stretch it out. Yeah, not too stretch out, but yeah, you have to make sure it's still tight. So I'm going to put the crochet needle through and then, attach it to my hair. Right there, I'm going to attach it and close the hook and then draw it through the hole like so. You don't want it too tight, so when you wrap it you get headache. No. Alright, so I'm going to secure it. Okay, so you're going to put the crochet needle back through your hair and then pull it down. Alright, you're going to hook it to your hair and then pull it down like so. Bear in mind, people, men are professionals, so but I'm just showing the girlies how to be, on a budget, the Dolly way. Okay, so this is a springy twist in the color 613 that I'll be using. So you take the crochet needle, push it through your hair again, and then you're going to hook the springy twist like so. Make sure the latch is closed and then draw it through. Make sure one of the ends of the springy twist is long and one is shorter, if that makes sense. Then you're gonna wrap it around the longer piece, though. Wrap it around because you don't want your hair to show. You want it to look like you're a natural blonde and you just need to touch up your roots, but you're just doing it for style. It's just, your roots is just really black. All right, so you're gonna wrap it around to create that illusion that is just the roots alone, basically black, right? So I'm gonna wrap again. Make sure you secure it. Yeah, girl, I do our thing. Wrap again. It's very easy. It doesn't have to be neat, because when I do my locks, I don't want it to be neat. I want it to be, like that distressed look. So if you're starting out and you want to do it yourself, just know it's trial and error, guys. So just take your time with yourself. So you see me wrap it around. And while I wrap. Don't get dizzy while we wrap, right? Alright, you notice you're not seeing my hair like that again. It's disappearing like magic. Alright. Can I make a little mistake, so I reel it round back? Because sometimes it's okay to make mistakes, okay? Nobody's perfect. So we'll wrap it around again. Wrap it around. Alright, play with it a little bit too. Alright, so as you can see, the springy twist is finished. So you gotta go get some more springy twists. You see, there's no black hair where girl are real blonde with dark, how do you call it, roots? Yeah. Alright, watch there. Alright, that's showing, so we need to fix that. Okay. Alright, so I get some more springy twists. Alright, part there, because I'm gonna say everything is trial and error. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. So when I started, I was a bit nervous because I said, oh, I'm gonna do it. But just trust yourself, trust the process, and wrap around. You see it disappear like magic. Oh my god. So I'm wrapping, as I said before, like every girly should, aspire to do them here. Now this video is not gonna be that long because I know my phone did full, so it kind of end. But I decided to say, see there, look at that. That's beautiful, guys. Yes, as I was saying, my phone was full, so it stopped filming. So it's not gonna be a long video, but of course I want that distress look, so you have to get like some more springy twists to add to the end, because you don't want it too mag. You want it have a little body. right? So you wrap again for go down at the end, because it have to match up, it have to basically layer down. As I say, I want the layered look. The front I go short, the back I go tall. You know, like when you have like, you put it on a wig and make sure so that I'll explain it. And make sure so the top layered and the back kind of longer. Yeah, that's the effect I was trying to get with this here. Alright, so still a wrap, guys. It's still a wrap. So long this take. So imagine doing all of this. You know, so this is like a lot of work to do. Right? So as we say, we're wrap. Make sure stay tight. Look on your ear, ladies. Make sure say you're liking the effect what you're getting. Because remember I said I wanted that distressed look, not too neat. Right? Alright. The dollar go on with herself. Alright. The end still need to match up back with the top. So we'll put a little bit more wrap. Because imagine, this is like the 18 inch. So imagine how many if I wrap out the 24 inch, guys. Alright. Put it there, wrap. As a doll. So the area we may use. Show it again. This is the 18 inch. And look at that. Girl, you're done. Girl, feel nice. You see the layered effects? Right, this a short. Right, this a longer. Right, tell me how I look, guys. Tell me if I look good or not. See the back there? Yeah, girl, is fabulous. Yeah, shake it up. That side is nice. That's a good side. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Abby Dolly World. Don't forget to go Abby Dallas Music on all digital platforms. Yeah, the Dolly real art. The girl is fabulous. Thank you for watching.